Did you know you could build a full app idea in 5 minutes or less using AI and no code? Let me show you exactly how. So the full process is you go to ChatGPT, you take your idea, and you just add in this prompt I have here. And this prompt says, help me with a PRD for the application below. PRD is just product requirement document. Don't worry about technical terms. AI handles the heavy lifting. So let's do that. For this app, I was thinking, let's create something called an inventory tracker. Most times in your business, for most businesses, they have something, whether it's even pens, they just want to know when things are running out. But in bigger use cases, they have like lots of different supplies and they need to track them. So most times you're paying for some kind of software, but what if you could build your own, right? So you can see their core features, and for the most part, the very simple portion of this is easy to create just from AI, but let's see what AI does. So when AI is done, there are certain things you have to add, there are certain things you have to remove, okay? The first thing you have to remove is feature enhancements because we want AI to just add only what we need for now. Second thing we have to remove are something called user roles. It would be nice in the very beginning to have people log in so that you can control who logs in, who logs out, and all of that stuff. But for the most part, we just want to make an app that works, right? All of the other things like non-functional requirements, oh, it should be mobile first, minimal checks, support 5,000 items. All of these are nice to have. So maybe we just include that. For security, like I mentioned, we can remove that for now. And obviously, yes, we want items to be stored in something called a database. The reason for that is so we can access it later. So, okay, we're just going to copy everything from the top, copy. There are two apps I recommend. The first one is called Lovable. It is the best one, but it's a bit pricey. Second app is called Leap.new. Leap.new is less stable than Lovable, but it's cheaper. So what you do is you take that PRD, you put it in, and then you just let it work. And AI starts to do its stuff. Okay, so let me show you an app I already built using this. This thing is a image personalizer. So if you were trying to book an appointment with somebody and you said, see you soon, Stephanie, you can just send a text, see you soon, Stephanie, or you can send an image like this with yourself, maybe yes, waving, and it says, hey, Stephanie, see you soon, right? So, hey, John, see you soon. And you can see the image is generated in real time, right? So let's just say, hey, John. And then the other thing is if you click this button here, it opens up this image. So the image is fully generated already. What this helps you with is to personalize, like I mentioned. And if you wanted a review from somebody and you had a face like this and you were just, oh, please, I need help. And it says, I need your help, right? And that's all it says. Hey, Stephanie, I need your help. It's actually a real call out. So we let AI build. Again, most times you have to remove things like sign up, sign in, because it takes a lot longer to get an initial version up and running. So far, we have 1 minute 20 seconds on the clock. Let's see if AI can finish before 5 minutes is up. Okay, okay, so why am I making this? I'm making this because number one, I want people to see how far AI has come. Like, gone are the days when you need to hire somebody and tell them a whole bunch of things that they will get wrong, and then you have to keep spending money for them to change this or change that. Right now, the first step again, go to ChatGPT, take your simple idea, take this prompt, add that before it, and hit run. Then take that PRD product requirement document you get back, put it into an AI like a no code builder, like Lovable, and then just let it work. See how many files it's made for the back end, for the front end. I know all of these might be foreign to you, but it's building the project right now, and we should have something perfect. So this is what you get out of the box: an inventory tracker, You can click add item. Let's just say tissue. You can add a SKU. We have 50. And when we have 10, we are low. Okay? So item created successfully. Where are our items? Maybe we have to refresh. Let's refresh. Okay, so there's an issue, and AI can fix this, by the way. It's an issue where when you create an item, the item doesn't show up right away, but if you refresh, then it's gone. So let's say we keep using this. Okay, so we hit minus again. You can see it's telling you, okay, yeah, you've used some, you've used some, you've used some. Let's increase the low quality stock to, let's say, 45. So at 45, we should get notified that that we have a low stock. Again, it didn't update this because of the issue I mentioned with AI. So let's go down again. Okay, so right away, by the time your quantity reaches the stock amount, it says low stock over here. And obviously by the time it reaches zero, it's out of stock. Here you go. In 2 minutes, AI did its thing. We have a sample application. We have all of these notifications here, and this is ready already for your team to use. Again, all I wanted to do is just show you guys how far AI has come. So there are two paths forward for you right now. If you have an idea and you would love to play around with this, please bookmark this ad, try it yourself, take your idea in ChatGPT, add this first thing, help me with a PRD, and go forth and build. When you get to the end, if you are having trouble or you get stuck, you can always just book a meeting with me and I'll be happy to help you finish this. The second thing you can do is if you have an app idea and you know the process, but you just don't have the time or interest to do it, book a meeting with me. We'll go through this exact step. We'll flesh out your idea using ChatGPT. We'll start building it. And who knows, at the end of this meeting, you may have an app already built and ready to go. And if I have to take it away, so be it. I'll take it away, finish the app, and then hand you something. So if you found this valuable, please tag a friend in the comments who you know needs to learn how to do this. Maybe they've had an idea they've been blabbing to you about for years. Now they can finally take action and do it themselves. Or if you need, again, help doing this, or you know someone who needs help, tag them in the comments and book a meeting. Thank you so much. Hope you had value from this. Have a great day.